HTML is the language of the web, and in order to build websites from scratch, we need to be able to understand how to use HTML. A good program to have open in order to start using HTML is an application like Notepad. Now, the first thing we're going to use are tags. Tags are just instructions which are inside less than and greater than symbols. So our first tag will be HTML in those less than and greater than symbols, followed by a closing tag, which we use the / for HTML. And inside here we're going to have a head, and a closing head, and a body, and a closing body as well. So that's easy to remember. The head is just on top of the body. And each of these tags have both opening and closing versions of each other. The reason we do this is just like writing a sentence has a capital letter and a full stop. These tags have an opening tag and a closing tag. Next, what we're going to show in this video is how to use the most basic tags. And three of the most basic tags are paragraph tag, the ordered list tag, and a break tag. So I'm just going to go through each one of those three now. Okay, so inside our body, the body of our HTML program, I would like to write a couple of sentences. Now to do that, I'm going to open the paragraph tag, and next to the paragraph tag, I'm going to write my sentences about my website, which is going to focus on Harry Potter. So this is a website all about Harry Potter. Okay, there we go. There's my two sentences. Now, in order to separate these two sentences so that they appear on separate lines on a website, we need to use the break tag. Now, another useful tag, which I mentioned, is the ordered list tag. This just enables us to write a list of separate items. And as you can see, OL stands for ordered list. Next to each list item, we use the tag LI. So first list item could be, well, Harry Potter's male, so we'll write male. And we just have to make sure we close each of those tags. He's young. And he's a wizard. And there you can see we've got our three list items. Then we'll close those list items by using a closing ordered list tag. It's also good practice just to indent these tags just to make them clearer to read. Okay, I'm going to save that now. And just make sure for file type you save as all files here so that you can port save it as a HTML file. To do that, I'm just going to save it as HTML site.html. So you can see here my file type is a HTML file, which means I can open it up in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Okay, I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to open it. And all I do, I'm going to right click and open with Google Chrome. And there you see I've got my first very basic website made from scratch using HTML.